Let's start with a random fact. I really love pine trees. I'm from the Rockies. I love them. So let's paint some. This is what we're gonna do today, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome. This is SezCreate. So maybe you can already tell this is a mixed media painting. My background is done with these colors and a blue in alcohol ink. I also was using this synthetic paper by Molly's Craft. I will link that in my description box. But I wanted to create something a little bit different. I have actually struggled a bit doing alcohol inks on paper. I feel like I really want to be abstract and create something very unique, but I always overwork it, I feel. This is my personal opinion. I feel like I always overwork it and I have no composition. But of course I know that's just my own opinion and my friends and family enjoy the things I make, but maybe they're just being nice to me. I don't know. Anyways, what am I doing here on this page? Maybe you're wondering. It looks kind of strange at this point, but I promise it looks better in the end. I just wanted to do a faded look in the background. Nothing in particular, obviously keeping everything centered, but just really faded. Because as you'll see later on, when I start adding in the pine trees, it kind of looks like a reflection. So here I go, adding in the acrylic portion of the painting, getting them prepped. And this would be my favorite part because I am more comfortable using acrylic paint. I love painting trees of any sort, actually, but I do love pine trees. And they can actually be a little bit tricky because you don't want them to look like a triangle completely. These ones are kind of like a lodgepole pine looking tree. That's what I was going for. I really love pine trees because I was raised in the Rockies, and so they are like towers of comfort for me. And currently I am not living in the Rockies, so the presence of pine trees just makes me feel like I'm at home, and it's just nice. So for any of you wondering the process, as you can see, I'm doing the trunks first, and I'm trying to put just a darker shadow color to get the general positioning of the pines on the tree itself. And then I go in with more of a lighter color to make it pop up. Now, I ended up doing this over several times because I was so excited. I'm not kidding. I sound so geeky, but I was really, really excited, and I thought, oh my goodness, I love this new composition. I love how this looks. And I ran ahead. I thought I was done. And look right here. I jump ahead and I start signing it because I thought I was done. I mean, it looks good, right? It looks not bad, but it's not just where I wanted it to be. So I went in again and I made it more of a brighter highlighted green. And I just think it looks so much better that way. So don't be afraid to go in and redo things with your own art, because if you're still able to, I mean, you haven't varnished it, then you can. Here you can see I varnished it, and look how shiny, drippy, wonderful it turned out. There's one sad thing that happened though. I had an issue with my varnish. It dribbled. That's my own fault, but it's okay. This painting is gonna be for me. It's gonna be in my kitchen, and I'm gonna love it. And on that note, we'll wrap this video up. Thank you so much for coming and watching this painting process with me. And stay tuned because I've got more things to show you. Bye!